Recording the sewer line here at 510 North 75th, dates April 15th, 2021. Making this recording from the clean out at the back of the home, the northwest corner of the home. Coming back from the city main, zeroed out our footage. We're going to get a look at the line. Coming back into 6-inch diameter clay pipe. You don't need to go that fast, buddy. We can go a little slower. Seam about every 2 feet or so in the pipe. We're out under the road, coming back towards the sidewalk now. Perfect, thank you.
The dishwasher's running, so it's going to drain whenever it's going to drain.
Yeah, it's draining. It's making this a little more. Go in a little bit. There's your connection point. In. Stop. We're going to pause there. All right, continuing the recording, coming back. You can take that water off now, thank you.
Still all play?
Yep. Go in a little bit. In. Stop there. Go in a little bit further. Right there. Stop there. A little bit further. 6 inches. Boom. It's another tie-in off of this house. I'm not sure what it is. Maybe somewhere back in here too. It's also, it's where they first come together. Does that make sense at all?
No.
I'll show you on the
Okay.
So what it shows is the 2 lines coming out of the back of this house. We're making our recording from right back here. They're coming down somewhere here. They've got a line coming out down into this line. They've also got a second line that comes all the way out and ties in up where I located up there. Okay. So we got 2 lines. I don't know if this is abandoned at all. Everything comes out of this side.
Yeah, but I still want to be on this side of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you want to. Yeah, I would cap back here.
Back here, yeah.
Or where I pointed right there. That's where his.
It sounds like something's coming off the roof. Oh, maybe it's coming out of that vent right there.
Oh, it's your dishwasher.
Yeah,
Kitchen right there? Yeah, that's the air gap for the dishwasher.
What
the hell?
Yeah.
Alright, we were recording that whole time. I hope everyone enjoyed that. Coming back further there, we're now in 4-inch diameter pipe. This is the line solely feeding 510. Go in a little bit. Oh, that's just another section. Yep. And up out of the clean out. I'm going to end the recording there. There's the clean out we made this from.